How to find your profile link on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your profile link on TikTok mobile. First thing, open TikTok, click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find share profile. Click on it, and here you will find it, copy link, this one here, just click on it. And as you see, my profile link have been copied. Now just share it, and it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.